how to upload a video from CapCut to Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video from CapCut to Instagram. Whether it's a reel or a regular post, I'll show you how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, start by opening the CapCut app. So here you can either create a new project or open an existing one. In my case, I'm opening a recent project. So here, as you can see, I have opened the project. So here, if I want to change the aspect ratio to Instagram one, I'm gonna simply scroll through over the options at the bottom and simply tap on aspect ratio. And there I'm going to simply select the Instagram one, which is 1:1. And here, once I'm done with everything, I'm going to simply export the video by tapping on export, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once I tap on that, it will render the video and export to your camera roll. And here, once the video is exported, to post it or upload it to the Instagram, simply tap on the Instagram icon. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can see two options, which is feed and reels. So for this video, I'm going to simply select feed. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the Instagram app. So here, just follow the prompts and post the video. And that's it. That's how you can upload video from CapCut to Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.